In this figure, we have a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, and in this you have to find the value of x. So first thing is, let's name the vertices. Let's call it A, this B, this is C, and let this be D. Now the angle sum property of the quadrilateral says that the sum of the internal angles of the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. That is, if we take this angle DAB and we write it as angle A, and angle ABC, that is angle B, plus angle BCD, that is angle C, plus angle CDA, that is angle D. So these are the internal angles, and this sum is equal to 360 degree according to the angle sum property of the quadrilateral. A is 50 degree, B is x, whose value we have to find, C is 120 degree, D is 130 degree, and this is 360 degrees. Now if you add 50 plus 120 plus 130, you get 170, 200 and 300. So from this one you get x plus excuse me, 300 degrees is equal to 360 degrees, and this gives you x is equal to 360 degrees minus 300 degrees. This gives you x as 60 degree, right? If you want to cross check it, you can simply add in them. So this is 60 plus 50 is 110, plus 130 is 240, and 120 is 360. Here we have, again, this is a straight line, and on taking this as a base, we have drawn a perpendicular line segment, then this line segment and this line segment. So clearly, if you see at, like, if you see this point, let's call it A, this vertex as B, this one as C, and this one as D, then clearly we have a quadrilateral A, B, C, and D. Okay, we have to find this value of x. Again, you can solve it using the angle sum property of the quadrilateral, but we don't know this fourth angle, right? But we know this angle that is already marked by this sign. This tells us that it is actually what? 90 degree. Okay, if this angle is 90 degree, then this angle will also be 90 degree. How? Using linear pair. Linear pair is actually what? 180 degree. That is, this angle plus this angle has to be 180. So if this is 90, therefore this will have to be 90. Now if I take angle, now let's name angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. These are the internal angles. So angle A, that is angle DAB, plus angle B, that is angle ABC, plus angle C, that is angle BCD, plus angle D, that is angle CDA, is equal to 360 degree. If you solve it, A is 90, B is x, whose value we have to find, plus 70 degrees, plus 60 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Now x plus 90 plus 70, 160 plus 60 is 220 degrees, is equal to 360 degrees. This gives you x is equal to 360 degree minus 220 degree is how much? Is 140 degrees, right? If you want to cross check it, simply add here. 90 plus 140 is 230, plus 70 is 300, plus 60 is 360. In this figure, if you look very carefully, we have actually a quadrilateral. How? Here this line and this line will is intersecting here. So this is one vertex, then this line and this line, this is intersecting at one vertex, then this one and this one here here it intersects, and then same thing here. Now if you want to name it, you can name it A, B, C and D. You have to tell what is x plus y plus z plus w. You have to tell first you have to find x, y, z and w, then you have to tell their sum. So if you look at this one, A, B, C and D, this is a quadrilateral. Okay, so A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Okay, now tell me, can you tell what is the value of x? If you look at this one, that is A, B, and let's name it like, let this be a ray. So we can name it as what? Let's say this is L. Let's say that we have a point L here. Okay, so angle ABC plus angle CBL, isn't it a linear pair, right? That is equal to 180 degree, right? ABC plus CBL is 180. So what will be the value of angle CBL? Angle CBL is equal to 180 degrees minus angle ABC. What is angle ABC? It is 180 degree minus 120 degree. And we know that angle CBL is nothing else but x. So x is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degree. Okay, so now we know the value of x. Then comes the number of y. Same what we have done for the x, you can do same thing for here. If you suppose that this is an array, and if you take a point M on this line, point M, then angle BCD, angle BCD plus angle DCM, this is what? This is 180 degree. And why? Linear pair. The concept of linear pair, right? This forms a linear pair. So angle DCM is what? Angle Y. So angle Y is equal to 180 degree minus angle BCD is what? Is 80 degrees. So you get Y as 100 degrees. Okay, so now you know the value of y as well. Similarly, can you tell what's the value of this z? In this case, you have to proceed in the same way. Suppose this is a ray, and if you take a point N here, then angle CDA plus angle ADN is equal to 180 degrees. Angle ADN is what? Z. So Z is 180 degrees minus angle CDA is what? Angle CDA is 60 degrees. So you get Z as 120 degrees. So we have now with the value of x, we have the value of y, and we have the value of z. Now tell me, can you tell what's the value of w? That's really very simple. Now you have to focus on this quadrilateral ABCD, and if you take this angle, let's say that this is angle DAB, so angle DAB plus angle ABC, plus angle BCD, plus angle CDA, plus angle CDA. This is what? 360 degree, the angle sum property of the quadrilateral. Okay, can you tell me what's the value of angle DAB? Can we tell? From here we can find that answer. So let's say that angle DAB is, okay, keep it as it is, angle DAB. So angle DAB, now plus what's angle ABC is 120 degrees, plus angle BCD is 80 degrees, plus angle CDA is 60 degrees, and this is equal to 360 degrees. If you solve for angle DAB, DAB is equal to 360 degrees minus 120 plus 80 is 200 plus 60 is 260 degrees. From here you get angle DAB as 100 degrees. If you want to cross check it, 100 plus 120 is 220 plus 80 is 300 plus 60 is 360 degrees. So you'll ask that what's the purpose of finding the value of angle DAB? Now you know that this angle is what, 100 degrees. So can't you tell this value? Same as we have done for X, Y and Z. So if you extend this and take a point, let's say the point P is here, take this point P here. So angle DAB plus angle BAP is equal to 180 degrees because of this forms a linear pair. Then angle BAP is what? Is W is equal to 180 degrees minus what's angle DAB? We have just found here, that is 100 degrees. That gives you W is equal to 80 degrees. Right? Now can you tell what's X plus Y plus Z plus W? X is what? 60 plus 100 is 160 plus 120 is 280 plus W is what? 360. So the sum comes as 360 degrees.